The other thing that's important in a budget is making sure we add in our own salary or our own earnings. My own perspective on this is we want to add in a market rate salary and then also a benchmark, sort of industry benchmark profit. So for instance, if you're to replace you as a business owner, and I know you might work, 60, 70, 80-hour weeks, and I kind of need to find the balance there. But let's say to hire an accounting firm partner, the guideline is about 150K in terms of wages or salary. And so for me, I want to go and put, let's say 150 grand, divide that by 12 because I do a monthly budget to make sure I've got that initial benchmark in there.